Hello, this is the village of Marange. The Marange Diamond Story has been one said episode. The inhabitants of Marange believe the village would have been a better place to live in had it not been for the discovery of enormous deposits of alluvial diamonds in their village. The mining of diamond in this particular place has raised awareness of the residents' health. How? Because of pollution. But what is pollution? Pollution is the presence or introduction of harmful substances, either toxic or poisonous to the environment, causing degradation in the environment. Since the commencement of commercial diamond mining in Marange, villagers have watched in agony as life is rapidly being squeezed out of the river in their village by mining companies. The river in Marange used to be the source of life for several villages, including Marange itself. The river provided fish, drinking water for both humans and livestock, and domestic chores such as laundry. Villagers also bathed in this river, and it was also used for a few recreational facilities such as swimming. Now, we know water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. This form of environmental degradation occurs when pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. Now, due to discharge from the mining company plants, the river in Marange has become turbid and muddy. There is a high risk that villagers could develop cancer due to a heavy presence of chromium and nickel in the river due to alluvial deposits. Now the river is heavily contaminated to such an extent that communities can't use the water for drinking purposes anymore, whilst coming into contact with the water and mud causes itching of the skin. The villagers are now digging in the sand to fetch water for laundry as the water in the river is too muddy. Several boreholes have dried up, and now the villagers of Marange are facing serious water shortages. Not only do the humans suffer, the fish in the river also suffer as they face death. We all know that water pollution results in death of aquatic life. Mining companies having secured the diamond fields, this resulted in relocation of several families, of which most were left without decent houses and are squattering all over. And this was a major contribution to land pollution in the village of Marange. What is land pollution? Land pollution is the deterioration or destruction of the Earth's land surfaces, often directly or indirectly as a result of man's activities and their misuse of land resources. Land pollution occurs when waste is not disposed of properly, or can occur when humans throw chemicals onto the soil in the form of pesticides, insecticides, and fertilizers during agricultural practices. The alluvial mining companies have cleared up forest, resulting in land degradation, soil erosion by water resulting in sediments being deposited, causing dry lands unsuitable for cultivating. As these lands are being cleared, huge machinery such as caterpillar graders are used, raising dust, causing tuberculosis due to dust inhalation. There is emission of greenhouse gases from these heavy machinery, which contributes to global warming as a result of depletion of the ozone layer. The heavy machinery also makes a lot of noise as they disturb people, wildlife, and as a result, it has caused loss of natural habitats as wildlife runs away.
created using Powtoon.